Hey there, April Fiesta next here with my mom, Aiko.
Hi.
Now, having good balance is important to prevent falls, which is the #1 cause of fatal and non-fatal injuries among older adults. So today we're going to do a 4-step balance test to see where you are. That's right.
Uh-oh.
Start studying.
Yep. It's like in school.
That's right. And we're going to share a couple of exercises to help improve your balance. Okay, so what do you need? Be near a sturdy table, countertop, or chair, and or have a friend or loved one nearby, to help you just in case as you do this step, because the whole goal is to be able to do it unsupported, but you may start out, needing to hold on to something.
Sure.
All right, so we're going to take a quick pause here and we'll get started with our tests. Okay, so test 1 is just to stand with your feet together. Okay, all right, stand up straight, good posture.
I can do.
All right, without holding on to anything. That is the goal for a count of 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1.
All right.
Very good. If you pass this hurdle, you're ready to move on to step 2. Okay, all right, step 2 is what we call it. You're going to put your big toe in where your instep is. Okay, so it's like where your arch is. Okay, you're going to hold that. All right, stand tall for a hold of 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1.
A little bit more difficult.
Yeah, you feel it? Okay, now we're gonna switch the other side now. Okay, so get that other foot in the other instep, because one side is it's very natural. Yeah, it's stronger than the other. So we want to test both sides. Okay, so here we go for a count of 10 on this side. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very good. How'd you do? All right. Getting a little shaky. You feel your legs or ankles shake?
Yeah.
All right. That's okay. That's telling you something. All right. Now, here's the challenging one. Okay. So it's going to go heel toe. This is called a tandem step. Okay. So one foot in front of another, heel toe. Now, you may start to feel this, and you can do whatever you want with your arms to be able to stand. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, and rest. All right, everybody.
We're shaking there.
That was a challenging one. Okay,
Yeah.
now we have to do the other foot in front of the other foot here. Okay, so here we go. Stand up straight. 9, 8, good. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, you made it.
I barely did. Wow.
Made it. Okay.
Yeah, I know what I have to work on. Okay.
That's right. That's a challenging one. You can practice that one. All right. So the last test.
This is the hard one.
This is
right?
this is the ultimate, right? Is to be able to stand on one leg, right? Okay. So you're just going to shift over and hold that. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4,
I gotta hold.
3, 2, and 1, and rest.
Wow.
That's good. That's now you know where you are, Mom.
Definitely
Where
do.
you need to work, right? Okay,
Yeah.
let's do to finish out this test and do the other leg now. Okay. So here we go. Let's see see if you notice one side is stronger than the other. 1, 2, good. 3, 4,
I'm trying.
6, good. 7, 8, 9, and 10.
Wow.
Wow. Well, this leg is definitely weaker than the other leg. I felt that. Okay, so how did you do? All right.
How did I do? I know what I have to work on.
Okay, well, if you had problems doing the tandem step for 10 seconds, and according to the U.S. Centers for Disease and Prevention, you are at an increased risk for falls. All right, so you really need to work on your balance. So we're going to do a couple of exercises now to help you improve your balance. So our first exercise is going to be starting in a chair, okay? So the move is you're going to stand up, you're going to take one step forward, you're going to take one step back, you're going to sit down, okay? This mimics actual daily living, right? When you're getting up from a chair and then moving, all right? Okay, so we're going to do 5 on each side. You're starting on your left there, okay? Okay, so here we go. And the goal is to do it without holding on to anything, all right? But if you need to hold on to a chair, your walker or your countertop, that's okay too, okay? It's there for you, and I want you to practice that.
Safety first.
That's right. You practice with the chair until you get better, okay? So we're gonna go for 5 on each side, all right? So stand up, step it forward, step it back, sit down. Stand up, step it forward, step it back, sit down. Good. Up, forward, back, sit down. Give me 2 more. Step up, step it forward, step it back, down, and give me 1 more. That's right. Good. Yeah. And it's great to be able to, if you need to hold on, no problem. That's great. That's your practice, okay? Your goal is to try to do it without.
Right.
Okay? All right, so let's try the other side. All right? Here we go. Up, step it forward, step it back, and sit. Good. Up, step it forward. It is a chair stand-up. That's exactly what it is. Down. And again, you can hold on. Up, step it forward, step it back, down, and 2 more. Up, step it forward, step it back, down, 1 more. Up, forward, back, and down. Very good. Mimicking getting up and going to get something to drink, right? Okay. All right. So the next one, the next exercise is just going to be marches. So you can stand up, Mom. I'm going to take this chair away, but you may want to hold on to the chair or countertop for this one, okay? Now we have done a lot of walking, and basically that's what we're going to do. We're going to do some high marching. So if you need to hold on to the chair or countertop, no problem, okay? We're going to weight shift, bring the knee up. Hold, and down. Knee up, and down. Up, and down. Good. Up, and down. Up, down, up, and down. 3 more. 3, down, 3, and down.
Wow.
2, 2, and down. And 1, 1, and down. Okay. Nice work. How was that, Mom, for you?
Pretty good, but still kind of shaky.
Did you feel, yeah? So that was a good exercise for you to, improve your balance. You have to strengthen your legs, strengthen all these stabilizer muscles in your hip area. All right, so you can do these exercises every day, okay, to help improve your balance. All right, and we also
do it, the better, right?
That's right. The more you do it, the better. And you can do these even twice a day if you want. And be sure to check out our other balance videos as well. All right. So thank you so much for joining us. We look forward to seeing you real soon. And in the meantime, keep moving and practicing your balance.